is our Lunar New Year celebration that we have every year at Campbell for our Cypress-Fairbanks Vietnamese students. We've had this program for the past 25 years. Our program is for Cypress Vietnamese students so they can learn the culture and also keep the language.
One thing I really appreciate about the district is how much we recognize and we honor all the different traditions and all our values here. And it's just wonderful to be involved in the Vietnamese community here in America.
Thân hào, thân hoàng mùa tuổi hào vốn. Thank you so much.
In our district Cypher, we have a very large population of Vietnamese students. Every year we have a lot of new students who are new to the country from Vietnam, and they just continue to expand.
They provided this for me today so that I could be in the proper attire. Red, of course, is good luck. I'm hoping that I'm going to have some great fortune because I'm wearing the red.